everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to add Microsoft Bing extension on Chrome or Firefox. For this video, I will be showing you on the Chrome. So once you open the Chrome browser on your laptop or on your PC, you click open new tab. And there, what you need to do is you just need to type in Bing extension Chrome. You press enter and it will give you the search result for the keyword. Once you find the search result, you need to click on the very top link over here on the top, and this will direct you to this page over here, that is Chrome Web Store. Now from here you will be able to add the Microsoft homepage search for the Chrome. All you have to do is click on add to Chrome. That will get added to your extension. Here you click on add extension and there you can see the Bing has been added as a extension to your Chrome browser. So this is how you can just easily add Microsoft Bing extension on Chrome. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.